Could you ask a question? Exploring questions with could in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting aspect of English language: questions with could. This modal verb is an extremely important tool for you to grasp, as it allows you to express suggestions, requests, and possibilities in a polite manner. The first thing we need to understand about asking questions with could is the structure. In English, could usually precedes the subject and the base form of the verb. So, the structure often looks like this: could plus subject plus verb, base form, plus, for example, could you help me? Could I use your pen? Notice how the verb that follows, could, is always in the base form, regardless of the subject. That's a key point to remember. One common use of could in questions is to ask for permission or make polite requests. When you're asking someone if you could do something, or requesting someone else to do something, could helps to make your question sound more polite. For example, could I borrow your book? Could you open the window, please? Could is also used to ask about possibilities or abilities in the past or in hypothetical situations. Here are some examples. Could we have stopped the accident? Past ability. Could you live without your phone? Hypothetical ability. This is a great way to initiate discussions and conversations, especially when you're trying to suggest different outcomes or possibilities. Just like affirmative questions, we can use could to ask negative questions as well. This usually indicates surprise or disbelief. Here's the structure: could plus subject plus not, or couldn't plus subject plus verb, base form, plus, for example, could you not hear me calling you? Couldn't he finish the work on time? Remember, these questions imply that the speaker expected the opposite of what actually happened. And there you have it, learners. Understanding how to use could in your questions is a great step toward improving your English fluency. Whether you're asking for permission, making a request, exploring possibilities, or expressing disbelief, could is a versatile tool that can help you convey your thoughts with greater clarity and politeness. Stay curious, keep practicing, and remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. See you in the next video.